I'm the managing director of the Dream Factory Kenya Limited. We are a toy distributor in Kenya. When I started my relationship with all these big toy manufacturers, when they heard that Standard Chartered is the banker behind my business, it was also an easier sell. They helped us with facilities like letter of credits at that point, bank guarantees, also with favorable forex rates as well. Turnaround times are very important for us. And that's where the relationship comes into play, and I must say the relationship has been quite great, because the moment I pick up a phone call, I say, guys, I need this. It happens very quickly. To be on straight to bank, I literally just get a message from my finance team, approved payment, within 5 seconds it's done. It's very convenient.
I'm Bernard Kombo, Head of Business Banking, Kenya and East Africa.
Standard Chartered Bank, with its global footprint in the most dynamic markets, offers you trade, cash management solution, forex services, and dynamic digital solution. This is supported by expert relationship management team.
From here, possibilities are everywhere.